Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you. Your life.
Hello everyone, Snitika here and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this look. So if you're interested, then let's begin. The products which I have used in this video are linked in the description box. So first I'm going to take some concealer and with the help of a brush, I'm just going to clean it underneath my brows. To create today's look, I won't be using the concealer on my entire lid. Then I'm going to take a beauty blender and just blend the concealer properly so that it matches with my skin. Then I'm going to use a sticky tape to give my eye makeup a sharp look. You can even use some eyeshadow guards if you want. After that, I will take some gel liner on an angled brush and I will create an outer wing with it. After creating the outer wing, I am going to line it on my crease. So basically, I am just going to use this gel liner as my base for today's makeup. Today for the base, as you can see, I have used this black one because today's look I want to make it little bold. After applying this on my entire lid, I am going to remove the tape, and one of the reason I am removing because the tape's glue was not that great. It was coming out very frequently. Basically, it was not sticking properly over there and that was creating trouble for me. Then I'm going to take this beautiful purple kind of shade, and this is a shimmery metallic kind of shade. I do not know exactly what type of shade it is, but this is a really beautiful one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it on a brush and I will be applying it towards my outer V area. I'm not exactly outer V area, a little bit away from there. So I'm going to apply it from my outer lids to the crease. After that, I will take this beautiful orange shimmery shade and basically I'm going to apply it on my center of the lids. I will make sure to blend both of the shades properly.
Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you. Your life. But tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't not do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. Can't say I can't not do, but do you?
Now I'm going to take some more of that purple shade to intensify the purple shade over my outer lid and also to blend the both of the shades properly. Then I will apply this rose gold shade and I'm going to apply it on my inner lids. It also fulfills the purpose of a highlighter. Now I'm going to apply this gel liner on my lower waterline as a kajal.
Let me stay with you. You're asking you just one night. I know I
Then I'm going to take this shimmery orange shade and I will apply it below my waterline to smoke out the gel liner properly. After applying the shimmery orange shade, I'm going to apply the purple shade over the orange shade.
there's nobody else.
Then I will use a pen eyeliner to create an inner corner wing.
There's nobody else.
I will also use that pen liner to adjust my outer wing.
There's nobody else.
Then I'm going to use this shade for the purpose of highlighter. I will only apply this on my brow bones. Then for the mascara, I'm using this one. So I will apply a generous coat of it on my upper lashes and lower lashes.
You're asking you just one night. I know I owe your life. But tell me 'cause we still have time.
Now to make this eye makeup look more dramatic, I'm going to wear some false eyelashes off camera and then come back and show you the final look.
Do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you in the moment. There's nobody else.
So that's it for today guys. I hope you loved this look, and if you did, then please do not forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you may be the first one to get notified. If you love this look, then please do not forget to comment down below and let me know your opinions and visions about this look. And even if you can comment down below to let me know that what type of eye looks you want me to create it for you. You can even follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is given in the description box. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, have fun, take care of yourself, and bye bye.